50 car mistakes you're making right now. You don't even know it. Let me explain every single one step by step. That dirty sponge in your bucket, it's sandpaper. Every drag grinds dirt particles into your clear coat. Those swirl marks are permanent. Never open a hot radiator. Pressurized coolant boils at over 250 degrees. Release that cap and it explodes, burning you and cracking the radiator. That orange light isn't a suggestion, it's a warning. A $100 sensor today becomes a $4,000 blown engine tomorrow. Ignoring it costs everything. Resting your hand on the shifter, you're destroying your transmission. That tiny pressure wears out bushings and clutch packs. It's a $1,000 habit. Slamming your door doesn't make it close better. It destroys window regulators, door lock motors, and wiring. Every slam breaks something tiny inside. Wrong oil kills engines. Too thick, it won't flow. Too thin, it won't protect. Your engine was designed for one specific grade. Use exactly that. Shifting from reverse to drive while rolling, you just killed your transmission. The gears fight each other. Clutch packs shred. One bad habit destroys everything. Tighter isn't better. Over-tightening strips drain plug threads and crushes oil filter gaskets. Then you leak. Then you seize. Hand tight is the rule. Potholes at speed destroy everything. Bent rims, blown tires, knocked alignment, cracked suspension. One hit costs $1,000. Slow down. No parking brake on a hill? That tiny metal pin inside your transmission is holding 2 tons of car. It bends, it breaks, then your car rolls away. Pressure washing your engine, you're flooding alternators, fuse boxes, and sensors. Water gets past every seal. One spray costs $1,000 in electronics. Running below a quarter tank destroys your fuel pump. The pump needs fuel to stay cool and clean. Run it dry, the pump overheats and sucks up sludge. Dish soap strips wax like oven cleaner. It's a degreaser. Your paint loses all protection. UV damage starts immediately. Use car soap, nothing else. Revving a cold engine is metal grinding on metal. Oil is thick. It hasn't reached anything yet. Every rev causes permanent wear. Let it idle. Be patient. That tire pressure light isn't a suggestion. Low pressure, heat buildup, blowout at highway speed. Check your tires now or crash later. Wrong jumpstart order fries your car's computer. One spark, one voltage spike. Your ECU is dead. That's $1,000. Do it in the exact right order. Riding your brakes downhill boils the fluid and glazes the pads. Then you have no brakes. Use engine braking. Save your brakes, save your life. A clogged cabin filter kills your blower motor and makes you breathe mold. Low airflow, musty smell, that filter is packed solid. Change it every year. Spinning brush car washes destroy your paint. Those bristles hold grit from every car before you. Swirl marks, scratches, permanent damage, never again. You change. Permanent weight in your trunk kills your rear suspension. Springs sag, shocks leak, tires wear unevenly. Your car sits low and handles poorly. Empty it. Long idling doesn't warm your engine, it destroys it. Gasoline washes past cold pistons into your oil. Carbon builds up. You're wasting fuel and killing the engine. One new tire destroys AWD and 4WD systems. Differentials overheat, transfer cases explode. Replace all 4 tires or you'll buy a new drivetrain. That squeal is a warning. Your brake pads are gone. Ignore it and you're metal on metal. Rotors destroyed, calipers damaged. A $100 fix becomes $1,000. Coolant colors aren't for looks. Mixing different chemistries creates gel. That gel clogs your radiator and heater core. Then your engine cooks. Use exactly what's specified. Resting your foot on the brake drags pads against rotors. Constant heat, constant wear, worse fuel economy, and the driver behind you thinks you're brake checking them. Resting your foot on the brake drags pads against rotors. Constant heat, constant wear, worse fuel economy, and the driver behind you thinks you're brake checking them. A broken serpentine belt stops your water pump. Your engine overheats in minutes. No alternator, no power steering. Replace it before it snaps. Every 60,000 miles. Cheap aftermarket parts fail fast. Then you pay twice, once for the cheap part, again for the real repair. OEM or high quality only. Your car will thank you. Sub-Zero starts are brutal. Oil is molasses. Nothing is lubricated. Driving hard immediately grinds metal on metal. Wait 60 seconds. Let oil flow. Overloading your roof rack bends your roof and ruins handling. Every pound up high makes your car tip in corners. Read the limit. Respect the limit. Pressure washers force water past seals, door handles, window trim, locks. That water floods your door electronics, then nothing works. Keep the spray away. No tire rotation means your front tires die twice as fast as your rears. You'll buy new tires every 20,000 miles instead of 50,000. Rotate every oil change. Used oil down the drain is illegal and catastrophic. One quart poisons 1 million gallons of water. Fines reach $10,000. And you're drinking that water eventually. Starting fluid in a diesel explodes too early. It cracks pistons and bends rods. One spray can destroy a $10,000 engine. Never use ether on a diesel. Old chargers don't stop charging. They boil batteries dry. Then batteries explode. Hydrogen gas ignites. Acid everywhere. Use a smart charger or don't leave it. Clogged sunroof drains flood your car. Water ruins electronics under your seats. Airbag modules, body computers, mildew forever. Clean those drains yearly. Full lock for more than 5 seconds kills your power steering pump. Maximum pressure, no flow, overheating, seals blow. That whine is your pump dying. A small oil leak becomes a big engine failure. That drip becomes a quart. That quart becomes a seized engine. Check your oil, fix the leak, don't gamble. Driving through floodwater hydrolocks your engine. Water enters the intake. Water doesn't compress. Connecting roads bend and snap. Your engine is destroyed. A broken timing belt destroys an interference engine. Pistons hit valves. Valves bend. Heads crack. $500 belt change becomes $5,000 engine replacement. Cheap wipers don't clean, they scratch. Hard rubber chatters, metal frames miss spots, and when they fail in heavy rain, you can't see. Your life is worth good wipers. I'll wash it this weekend. Bird droppings are acid. After 24 hours, they etch through clear coat permanently. That stain is never coming off. Remove it within hours, not days. Aggressive downshifts without rev matching destroy your clutch and transmission. That lurch is metal slamming into metal. Learn to rev match or replace everything. Old brake fluid absorbs water. Water boils. Boiling water makes bubbles. Bubbles compress. Your brake pedal hits the floor and nothing happens. Flush every 2 years. Going without a transmission cooler cooks your fluid. Burnt fluid kills clutches. One mountain pass can destroy a transmission. Install a cooler before towing. Regular fuel in a premium engine explodes too early. Detonation cracks pistons and breaks rings. That pinging sound is your engine dying. Use the right octane. A clogged PCV valve builds pressure inside your engine. That pressure blows out every seal. Oil leaks, blue smoke, rough idle. Replace it every 30,000 miles. Worn shocks don't just ride rough, they're dangerous. Your tires bounce off the road, stopping distance increases, cornering grip disappears. Replace every 50,000 miles. Razor blades scratch glass permanently. Those scratches create blinding glare at night. You can't unscratch glass. Use plastic scrapers and proper cleaners only. A flashing check engine light is a misfire. Unburned fuel destroys your catalytic converter. $20 spark plug becomes $2,000 converter. Fix misfires immediately. Skipping oil changes turns oil to sludge. Sludge clogs every passage. Then your engine starves and seizes. A $100 oil change becomes a $5,000 engine. Don't skip.